Hello everyone. I have prepared this dictation of 500 words at the speed of 90 words per minute. If you guys practice this thoroughly and sincerely, then the required speed of 80 words per minute for Rajasthan District Code exam will definitely seem very easy to write. Practice this passage multiple times to gain perfection. All the best.
The Registration Act has been enacted for the purpose of consolidation of the enactments relating to the registration of documents full stop. Under section 32 of the Registration Act, a person executing the document or claiming under the same or in the case of a copy of decree or order claiming under the decree or order can present the document for registration at the proper registration office full stop. It is further provided that the document may be presented by the representative or assignee of such a person or by the agent of such a person, representative or assignee duly authorized by the power of attorney executed and authenticated in the manner provided under the Act full stop, except to a limited extent where the registering officer can cause an inquiry under section 31. A document duly executed and properly stamped shall be registered and operate between the parties thereto full stop stanza. The effect of section 47 shall be of a similar nature and would have binding effect but only between the parties full stop. Long back in so and so case the learned Chief Justice observed that the requirement of registration of a document is an evidentiary requirement. An unregistered transfer is inchoate and is ineffective until registered, but it nevertheless exists and when registered operates from the date of its execution full stop. In Ram Singh versus Sundar Singh and others, the Honorable Supreme Court held that a document shall have effect from the time when it was executed and not from the time of its registration, and therefore a document which was executed prior in time shall prevail over the other executed document subsequently full stop. In this context, we may also refer to the case where the Honorable Supreme Court elucidated the provision under section 47 of the Registration Act by way of an example of a person executing two documents with respect to the same property full stop. The Honorable Supreme Court held that if two registered documents are executed by the same person in respect of the same property to two different persons at different times, the one which was executed first has priority over the other, although the former was registered subsequently to the latter full stop stanza. The provisions under the Indian Registration Act and the Transfer of Property Act clearly indicate that a lease deed may not be valid so long as it remains unregistered, but as soon as it has been registered, it takes effect from the date of its execution full stop. This is quite a settled law that Section 47 of the Registration Act operates between the parties to the deed and may also affect the rights of third parties full stop. However, the effect of Section 47 of the Registration Act cannot be stretched to obliterate the requirement of submitting a registered lease deed oblique rent deed on or before 25th May 2013 full stop. The learned senior counsel for the appellant placed heavy reliance also does not provide any help to the appellant full stop. In the said case, the sale had taken place on 2nd July 1972 and the document was registered on 3rd January 1972 full stop.